If you're still filling your hydrometer jar every time you take a reading, you're pouring your beer wort or your mead must straight down the drain. I'm talking about pints, not drops. This is the Anton Paar EasyDens, a precision tool that gives you lab-grade gravity readings from just 2 milliliters even after fermentation. And in this video, I'll show you how to set it up, how to use it, and why it's one of the most efficient brewing tools you can own. Anton Paar has been building high-precision lab gear for over 100 years. Their equipment runs in commercial breweries, meaderies, and wineries all around the world. The EasyDens brings that same engineering into a smaller, more affordable package for home brewers and small producers. Here's the magic. Instead of floating your wort or must like a hydrometer, it uses sound waves to measure density. That means it's more accurate, less affected by temperature swings, and way faster. It measures from about 0.7 to 1.2 specific gravity, with a plus minus 0.001 accuracy. It reads in Plato, Brix, and gravity, and automatically compensates for temperatures between 5 and 30 degrees centigrade. You'll notice it has no built-in screen, and that's on purpose. It pairs with your smartphone over Bluetooth and uses the free Brew Meister app for all your readings. Setup takes seconds. Download the app, turn on Bluetooth, power up the EasyDens, and tap connect. And you're in. Once paired, it remembers your phone for instant reconnection. Choose Fahrenheit or Celsius, pick your unit, and you're ready. Taking a measurement is just as quick. Draw 2 milliliters into the included syringe, push it into the glass chamber, tap Start Measurement in the app. Your temperature and gravity appear on screen. No guessing, and no squinting at meniscus. Just clear digital results you can save, export, or share. If you're testing a finished beer or mead, you'll want to degass the sample first, so bubbles don't mess with the reading. A quick stir, a few drops through a syringe, fill the sample into a flask, and seal the flask with a stopper. Alternately, shake the flask and lift the stopper to release the pressure until no pressure is built up anymore. Just make sure there are no visible bubbles before you measure. Cleaning is painless. Flush the chamber with warm water using the syringe and tubing. Push some air through it to clear it and store it upside down to dry. Never let sugary liquid dry inside. And if it's been sitting for a while, run distilled water for a deeper clean. One thing to note, the EasyDens isn't made for hot wort or must straight from the kettle. It's good for up to about 80 degrees centigrade. Cool your sample first for accurate readings and protect the sensor. And while it's perfect for process control, it's not a legal replacement for certified hydrometers in commercial beer or mead production. Some brewers pair the EasyDens with the Anton Paar SmartRef, which we'll get into in the next video. The EasyDen gives you specific gravity. The SmartRef gives you refractive index. And together, they measure ABV and real extract with lab precision. The EasyDens is small, durable, and incredibly precise. Speeds up your process and gives you results you can trust. For beer or mead, it's a huge step from traditional hydrometers. And once you try it, you won't want to go back. To watch the EasyDens and SmartRef videos, click the link in the description, or one of the videos right over here.